Good afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're checking 80 grapevines, a double deep nuke, and I'll show you what they're doing to the groceries. There was a bunch of bees up there before I took the top off. You'll see some over here. My finger. There's some down here. There's some over here. Some down in there. And some down in there. But we're going to go in here and see what they're doing. Okay. This is their little Pepsi Cola feeder. We'll give them some more liquid food. We've had a beautiful day today. Supposed to rain a little bit tonight, tomorrow. See, they've pretty much got it eaten there. A bunch of them underneath there. There we go. Let's see how they're doing here. Heat coming out of there. This one here has some honey. Some honey on both sides. This one here has some honey. Nothing on that side. Has some honey on that side. No bugs. It'd be nice to see the queen up here. If she's not, she will be before we leave. This one here has some honey. This one here has some nothing. This one here has a little nectar in it. So we're going to put this one on the bottom. Looks like we're going to need to go get him some pollen. And that mold, or that smell that I had the other day over at the east fence, it was my pollen. Had a bucket out there and it rained and then it mildewed. This one here has some pollen on it, and it has some honey on it. Went and put that moldy bucket in the trash can and finally had to move it away from the house, but that's some bad smelling stuff. I'm going to take it on down to the woods, deep in the woods. This one here has some honey, has some nectar, has some pollen. This side here too is a good little frame. Bottom is very clean. What we might do is just change frames again. You know how we do that. This one here has some nectar. This one here has some honey and some nectar. Their ferments are making a little noise now, so I must be getting close to a queen. We have brood. And we have eggs. We have a yellow queen up here. All this will go into the top. People have been asking me about my pollen again. I don't make pollen anymore, people, because for me to put everything in it that it needed to be in it, it cost me too much. Okay, that one has a bunch of stores on it. So, that one there. There. We're just going to leave the bottom box where it's at, because pretty much what they were used to. So take this one out. This one here. This one with the put it here. They'll be much warmer now. That one, we're going to take it out. This one out. All this is stores. I just run out of pollen, so I gotta go get some more, and I'll bring it back give them some pollen. I'll put it up here on the top with the food. Now, during the cold weather, they can all go up to the top where the queen is at. That, make sure the queen's not walking around. Nope, be happy. We're going to take that there. We'll give them some more sugar. We'll give them some more liquid food. I'll be back and we'll put some pollen under. That's it for this one. This is about the way my bees are going, but I like my queen to be in the top. That way when they're clustered, they can cluster from the top and go down instead of the bees getting cold and going to the top, leaving the brood in the bottom and the queen in the bottom, so this way they can all go up to the top and be happy. Well, hope y'all enjoyed it. We're not getting very many out nowadays. Weather's kind of don't know about the weather down here anymore. But they can heat this one back up a little bit. They're all in the top. They'll be happy. Y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Let other people know. If y'all like the videos, let my bees know. Y'all have a great one, and we'll talk with you later.